This Zomixzo extra large air fryer basket is a game changer for your kitchen. It comes as a set with a large tray. Both the basket and tray measure 18.8 inches by 13.3 inches. This size is perfect for convection ovens and even grills. You can cook more food at once. The stainless steel material is strong and will last, plus cleaning is a breeze since it's dishwasher safe. Forget scrubbing stubborn food bits. The Zomixzo extra large air fryer basket lets air circulate well. This makes your food crispy, not soggy. Imagine golden fries and evenly cooked chicken. The tray catches any drips, so your oven stays clean. This set is not just for air frying. You can also use it for baking. Think of cookies or even a small omelette. The sturdy grip handles make it easy to move the basket and tray. No more awkward oven mitt moments. If you want to cook healthier meals, the Zomixzo extra large air fryer basket is for you. It helps reduce oil, and that's a big plus. Professionals might appreciate the even cooking. Data suggests air frying can be better than traditional frying. This basket and tray set is a valuable addition. It's easy to use and easy to clean. So, ditch the extra pans and make this your go-to for crispy and delicious food. It's a simple way to upgrade your cooking. Pros: stainless steel, crisper tray, baking pan, grill perfect, dishwasher safe, healthy cooking. Even cooking, durable build. Cons: basket mesh thin, tray can warp, smaller than hoped, handles feel thin, not very sturdy. Questionable quality, tray is light duty, one handle broke. Features: extra large size, air fryer basket, oven safe 18.8 inches by 13.3 inches, stainless steel, crisper tray, convection oven, baking pan, perfect for grill, dishwasher safe. This Zomixzo set has an extra large 18.8 inches by 13.3 inches stainless steel basket and tray for air frying in your oven. It can also be used as a crisper tray, baking pan, or even on the grill. The set is designed for convection ovens and is easy to clean because it's safe to put in the dishwasher. This Zomixzo extra large stainless steel air fryer basket and tray set is designed for oven use, offering a crisper tray and baking pan that can also be used on the grill and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, while it aims to provide healthy and even cooking with a durable build. Some users found the basket mesh to be thin, the tray prone to warping, and the overall size smaller than expected. Concerns were also raised about the thin handles and lack of sturdiness, leading to questions about the product's quality, with some reporting the tray as light duty and instances of handles breaking.